Oh, broken up. Broken up. Broken up. You have to turn all the sides over.
Oh, dog is really tied up. Tied up. You're tied up. What are you going to try to invade the puzzle? What's the puzzle?
You're weird.
I am?
Yeah.
I'm not invading the puzzle.
Yes, you are.
Oh.
Only two.
Sure.
Yes, you are.
Well, try and do what you tied up.
What's this?
Oh, you put them together. Oh, look at that. You put these together. Great, now we got this puzzle of all the pieces.
It is great. Well, at least you live in a neighborhood where I might occasionally get sniped.
Like some frozen bananas. You like frozen bananas?
Never tried it.
Really?
No.
I lose half the time on those frozen bananas. Never tried.
Oh, I don't know.
Attack dog? Is that the kind? Okay.
So that would be...
There's the corner.
Ha!
I can do the corner word.
Ah, thank you.
I can do the line.
I want to do it.
I can do the line.
Deal. Do you like corn?
Puzzle, yeah.
Ha! Ha! Look. Ah.
That's the right one. The wrong one.
No.
The wrong one.
Got it. You're right.
Oh, so that is in the situation.
Ah! Got it. Ha!
That's the one.
Look from this angle. Who is that? Yeah, I think. He looks creepy.
Very creepy. He is creepy.
The lion's not creepy. Dorothy and the lion aren't creepy in the puzzle. Don't you think?
Yeah, they're creepy in this puzzle. Pretty famous picture.
That is.
Yep.
Never seen it before.
Yeah.
Here we are.
From 1930. 1934. Yeah, it's really, really old picture.
Is it world famous?
Yeah. Because world famous. Because back when that picture was taken, movies were an anomaly. They were really strange and expensive.
Ha! 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 Ha!
Got another one. I'm just collecting pictures.
Ha! 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 Ha!
Yeah. far, I haven't got together even 2 people.
I've got way more than you in that. And it's like,
well, I got 2 people together. With a hand.
oh, it's a Dorothy holding 2 words.
Yeah.
I need to get the rest of Dorothy's head. Repeat, I need to get the rest of Dorothy's head. Because we were supposed to tell each other what we needed. That's not the rest of her head. But Dorothy.
I think it's the rest of the head.
No, I need the top. See, top.
Aha,
see?
Right.
Part of her.
Very good.
Now, repeat, I need the corner of Dorothy's head. Repeat, I need the corner of Dorothy's head.
I'm trying to work on that.
Of course I'm not. In a book. Like in a book. I wouldn't know where to look. And that's why I said in the book. Probably a sky scene. No. Look in a book. Look in a book. Probably. Yep. Thank you.
What do you know?
Ha ha!
One species has.
I've got even more than you.
Yeah, it's because I'm better.
Huh?
Because I'm better.
No, I've got more.
Yeah. Better to have fewer.
Why?
That's the top of mine.
Huh?
Whatever I'm like, it's another way to speak.
Oh, no.
I'm not just calling you Dave.
Well,
Because I'm like that.
probably. But that's not true. Just because you like something doesn't mean you're something. Unless something like that. Unless have you even gotten near the base?
Have you been with them? No.
Yeah. I'm getting near his face.
There's his face. There's the Tin Woodman's face. That's his head. That's where his face.
I'm just like scrambling for it. Why is it such a famous picture?
Because there weren't very many really strikingly elegant movies then. There weren't hardly any movies then, but people were also just not very good at making them. And this one was a really good movie. Touched a lot of people in a nice way.
Well, it is kind of inspiring.
Yeah.
I think the whole point of this movie is just trying to say, hey, you do your dream your way.
Oh yeah.
Ha! Wait! Ha! 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 Ha!
Wow, you think you're gonna like put something together?
Yes. I know what I'm going to put together.
Is there a way to get it through? You're gonna take it there. I was told us what was here.
Sure. Oh, great. We'll have to make it, but...
Yep, you broke it all up.
Hey, I can't carry a puzzle without breaking it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Slide it on the paper.
Here's the stop. Don't beat me.
No, beat me. Mark, 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 mark. Happy moves off.
That no one knows it.
Your papa will call when it's covered. Get something for him.
Maybe.
Oh, there's nobody listening.
Stop!
You're putting it back together there, and
Yes.
you're going to break it up with this over here. Why are you breaking it?
Stop looking.
Stop looking. How am I going to see that I shouldn't see?
Every. 150. Hey. Hey.
Dun, dun, dun.
Shoot. I think I dropped some pieces.
Okay.
Look for word pieces, please.
Well, the pieces are weird.
Huh?
Got you.
Word.
Oh, not weird pieces.
Word.
Word pieces. Oh, there's no more word pieces.
Oh, yes, there are.
No more words.
Yes, there are. There have to be. Don't look. Nope.
You're sitting on them.
Are you?
Nope.
Look.
Don't look.
Whatever, I'll put it together again. But my point is, look.
That works.
Oh, these are the word pieces. But
Ready? That's your dad looking. Did I anticipate that one right?